Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am Beth. I'm the Crazy Cat Lady channel. Welcome, welcome. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. And I have the September's Ipsy. I wasn't going to get it back again, but I said, let's try it again and see if we like it. I want to see, because I did have it before and then I didn't really care for it. So, oh, I don't even need this. So how is everyone doing? And it's fall. It's fall. So let's see what we got. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at it. I love this. It's like astrology for the little makeup. Oh, and look at it. It's like a little crystal. Oh, I love this. Impressive. Let's see what we got. Ooh. And of course, my favorite color, lip gloss. I love this color. Oh. Love. And smells good. These are pretty big products. I think I got the bigger one, honestly, because usually the smaller one comes in a smaller one, I believe. I think I got the bigger one. Really like this. And of course it comes with the cards. This is, oh, okay, does it have everything in it? Okay, it does have everything in it. So I can show you later. What is this? Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. Ooh, let's see what this is. Illuminator Serum. I can read what it is, you know, once. It does smell good. Does smell like watermelon. Look at how cool that is. Love it. That's cute. I think they stepped up. Oh my god, how cute. Look at how adorable. This is, I believe, Brow Volume Fiber Gel. Let's see. I think this is so cute. Oh, look, it looks like a little screw. Look at, I love this packaging. It's so adorable, actually. And then look at, it's brown too, because I have light brown. If you cannot see this, really adorable. I love that. That's cute. And what is this? City Limits eyeshadow, Lush eyeshadow. I love this holographic. Really cute. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is so light. Love that. Ooh, look at how pretty. Ooh. Ooh, it's like a brownish. Love, love this. And it's so simple. It's light too. Very light. Love it. Okay, and the last thing in here is Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Huh. Really cool. I have to say, these items are really, really nice. So this is a lift gel. So very interesting. Ooh. See, it comes like that. Let's see. Very light, I have to say. I'll put it on my eyes. Really cool. I love this. Really adorable stuff. So as a recap, we have our beautiful bag, might say. Beautiful bag with this little crystal, white crystal, which I think is gorgeous. The cute eyeshadow, the eyebrow gel, which is adorable. Eye lift gel, which I can always use. Lip gloss, beautiful. This is a good full size. And this cute watermelon illuminator overnight serum. So that is what we got. So let's see what this overnight system does. This is to bring confidence to everyone who uses this skincare. Not only is this water-like serum super refreshing, it smells like watermelon. It's made with a mix of super fruits like apple extract to nourish, hydrate, and refine your skin texture while you're asleep. Let it work overnight, then rinse it off the next morning before your usual routine. So, okay. So it makes your refreshing and that's cool. Hydrate. And this that I was wondering about, founded by globally renowned cosmetic surgeon, this brand scientifically backed products across a wide range of skin concerns. This lightweight eye gel brightens, minimizes puffiness, and majorly hydrates. Plus, it helps you keep your concealer smooth and crease-free. Tip: place a tiny drop onto your under eye area and smooth it out using your finger. Okay. That's cool. And this is okay, though. This is the bolder brows of your dreams are here. This water resistant gel is loaded with teeny microfibers that fills the appearance of sparseness, fills in sparseness, add definition and shape to your brows while looking totally natural. Brow shaping newbie. The tapered brush makes application super easy. Tip: to fluff up your brows, use the spoolie to comb through them in an upwards motion. So that's what this is. So that's cool. All right. So the other ones are big, you know, the normal things. So that's all we got, but I'm really impressed with this. I mean, this is a nice, you know, good size bag. It actually matches my, and I didn't even know this, that it was this color, because I never saw any spoilers. Matches my shirt. So I like the fact that they have a little, I don't know if this is real crystal or not, but I like the fact they have a little crystal, and you can put all your goodies in here. And I'm really impressed with this Ipsy. I think they're getting a little better. Because the last time I got the Ipsy, it was just like, I don't know, cheap. I don't know where you go. But I really like this Ipsy's better. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this Ipsy unboxing. I have one coming. And for the Octobers. So I'm receiving all of the October stuff coming in, and this is the September's. So with that said, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and that notification button so you know when I do my future uploads. So love you all. Have a wonderful day.